name's Steven. I'm here from Sparkling Clear Pool Care today, and we're in Palm Beach Gardens. I'm going to go ahead and explain how a salt system works and show you how that you can clean and maintain your salt system. We've gone ahead and tested the salt levels in the water, which are very important. After initially testing the water, we found that the parts per million were around 1,700. The optimum range is 2,800 to 3,200 parts per million salt level. So we've added aqua salt. We've allowed 48 hours for the salt to dissolve, so now we know we have a proper salt level of 3,200 parts per million. We're going to go ahead and walk over to the equipment. I'll explain what a salt cell is and show you how you can go ahead and clean the salt system yourself with just a few materials and a few moments of your time. Okay, now that we're at the equipment, you see we have a Hayward system which controls our Hayward salt cell. If you see, what we have here is a T15 cell. This cell has the ability to produce chlorine for a pool up to 40,000 gallons. This is actually one of the larger cells for residential pools. This device here is a flow sensor, which allows the system to know whether the pool is on and flowing or off. It's a very crucial piece to the salt cell operating properly. The salt cell is connected through slip fittings. These fittings should almost always be hand tight, which is how they are today. For some reason, if the system is not hand tight, you can use a large pair of pliers. By wrapping a rag around the fittings themselves, you can protect them from damage or marking. We're going to go ahead and remove the zip ties that are securing the wiring to the salt cell. This is the salt cell itself. The salt water flows through the cell, and electrolysis from the anodes inside turns the salt molecules into chlorine molecules, and that's what chlorinates the pool. From time to time, the calcium will build up on the anodes inside the cell itself, and that's the purpose of the acid wash. I've pre-made a bucket of water that's 3 parts water, 1 part hydrochloric acid. It's important to note that you add the water before the acid to prevent a reaction from occurring. Once you've done this, you simply take the cell and dip it into the water. I would allow 3 to 5 minutes for the cell to soak. You can see some bubbling occurring, which lets you know that the calcium is actually being dissolved by the acid. Once you've done this, you take the cell, bring it back to its original position, and secure it. These slip fittings will only need to be hand tight. Once you've done that, you'll want to take a zip tie and re-secure the wiring. Now we're going to go ahead, start the system to ensure that there's no leaks. As you can see, there's no check system light and there's no salt low level indication. The only light you see blinking is due to the fact that we have it in service mode. So this salt cell is now up, functioning, and producing chlorine. This work has been completed. It's a very simple process. You can do it at home yourself with just a few supplies and a little bit of time. Note that it's important to discard this water into the pool, because if you were to dump it in the driveway or in your yard, you're going to be leaving a lot of acid and there will be a reaction. I look forward to you guys coming and checking out some more of my videos. You can check out my YouTube channel.